Hey, the last in the series of the Nash engine rebuild is done. I did some upgrades to the taillights too. I took those old motorcycle lights off of it, and I got these bow marker lights off a boat from the 20s or 30s. Just put some red lenses in it, upgraded to a Nash tail light. I still have some work to do on the clutch. I took 80 thousandths off that flywheel. I think I should have taken 100. Deal with that later. The engine's looking great, and it was running great until about 15 minutes ago when it stalled while I was driving it. I couldn't get started. Took about 3 minutes for me to figure out the points were gubbered up, back end of a matchbook, and cleaned them up, and this thing runs great now. So here you go. The final product. Listen to that purr. This thing sounds great. Compared to what it sounded. Compared to what it sounded like. That last jump was out. I'm not worried about it. So, long story short, if you want to see this thing in real life, it will be at the Old Car Festival, Greenfield Village, Dearborn, this weekend. Oh, and we did our beer run. I can celebrate heartily now. She's filled up for another 6 months. I don't know what I want to get. What do I want to drink? Decisions. I'll just go for a Schmitz. Old time car, old time beer.